Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in this video we're doing stuffed roasted peppers, and in those peppers we're making a quinoa and black bean mixture with some smoky paprika in there and some spices with cumin as well, and that will just give it some lovely flavour. Mix it all together and we'll top it off with some pine nuts and some feta cheese as well to give it some more creamy flavour. And I was thinking even adding some like Oatly creme fraiche or something on top. So firstly you want to just drain your black beans so you get all the water out. And with your stuffed peppers you just want to scoop out the seeds and cut them half. So place those pepper halves into a baking tray and just drizzle over with olive oil or avocado oil. Season with salt and pepper and then just pop them in the oven to cook slightly. To make the quinoa filling, just finely chop some onions and garlic. Get a pan on the hob with a bit of oil in there and then place your onions and your garlic in there first. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add your smoked paprika and cumin, those lovely spices, and then just mix them until they start smelling fragrant. Then in goes the drained black beans and then give that all a good stir. So we've added a little bit of chopped tomato from the can. If you've got fresh tomato, that's fine, even better. Then you add in your cooked quinoa. If you haven't cooked your quinoa yet, do it first to start off with, so you can just add it in when it's ready. So I've taken the peppers out and they are looking gorgeous. You can see the natural juices just coming out of that pepper and it's just lovely and soft, but they're not fully cooked yet. So at this point we're going to stuff them with that glorious quinoa mixture. At this point, when they're all stuffed, you can add in your pine nuts or your feta cheese on top, whatever you fancy really. If there's anything that adds a bit of texture that you like, just add it on top. If you have cheddar cheese instead of feta, that's fine to use. So just crumble that on top and that will melt nicely in the oven. So that's going to go in the oven, and when it comes out of the oven it smells glorious. The cheddar cheese or the feta cheese is slightly like melted and it's a bit gooey. I've added just some parsley on top, or you can add dill or whatever kind of freshness, like even coriander as well on top, and they're absolutely great for like lunch. Have it with some spinach. Dollop over that Oatly creme fraiche or dairy creme fraiche, whatever you want to use, and just eat them straight away. Really good for leftovers or as having for dinner as well. A very healthy vegetarian option. Please do try my super yummy dish at home. The recipe is below. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you soon, guys. Thanks for watching.